Auntie. How are you?
Hi, Fancy. I'm pretty good. You look a little bit tired. Didn't sleep well?
Oh, yeah. Last week we had a week of class about management, so I've been working a whole week. Maybe I'm a little bit tired. Thanks for your attention.
Oh, take care of yourself, Fancy. So, you are learning management now?
Oh, yes. Although this is the first time I attend a management course, I'm very interested in it.
Oh, really? Could you please tell me something about management?
Of course. One responsibility of a manager is controlling a group in order to accomplish a certain goal. Actually, the major functions that manager completes can categorize into 4 different functions known as planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. And the effective manager uses them to achieve organizational success.
Wow, so cool! Is this responsibility of a manager?
Yeah, you're so smart, Auntie. Planning, organizing, leading, and controlling are 4 important functions of management. Also, most managers tend to be leaders, but only if they adequately carry out the leadership's responsibilities of management, which include communication, motivation, providing inspiration and guidance, encouraging employees to rise to a higher level of productivity. However, not all managers are leaders. Some managers have poor leadership qualities, and employees obey orders of their managers because they have obligation to do that, so not necessarily because they are influenced or inspired by the leader. A manager should focus on meeting organizational goals and objectives. They usually do not consider much else. Managers are held responsible for their actions, as well as for the actions of their subordinates.
Oh, are there any characteristics of a manager?
Well, there are 4 important characteristics of a manager. The first one is the ability to execute a vision. Managers build a strategic vision and break it down into a roadmap for their team to follow. The second one is the ability to direct. Managers are responsible for day-to-day efforts while reviewing necessary resources and anticipating needs to make changes along the way. The third one is process management. Managers have the authority to establish work rules, processes, standards, and operating procedures. The fourth one is people-focused. Managers are known to look after and cater to the needs of the people they are responsible for, listening to them, involving them in certain key decisions, and accommodating reasonable requests for change to contribute to increased productivity.
Oh.
Actually, a manager is someone who generally only maintains what is already established. A manager needs to watch the bottom line while controlling employees and workflow in the organization and preventing kind of chaos. Managers are required by the job description to establish control over employees, which, in turn, help them develop their own assets to bring out their best. Thus, managers have to understand their subordinates well to do their job effectively. Managers not required to assess and analyze failures. The job description emphasizes asking the questions how and when, which usually helps them make sure that plans are properly executed. They tend to accept the status quo exactly the way it is and do not attempt a change.
Oh, Fancy, you've given me a lot of information about management which is very useful for me. I'll treat you to dinner next time. Thanks a lot.
Okay, no problem.